This is Mike. We're getting ready for the start, which is behind me, of the Erbil International Marathon. T-minus 15 minutes away from the start. So thank you for all your support. I'm here to help raise funds to rebuild homes for people that were displaced by ISIS and now can move back into their homes. This is what it's about. We're going to run 42 kilometers here today. And Erbil's been a great city. We're in the northern part of Iraq in the Kurdish capital. Kurdistan is the area that we're in. And looking forward to this. You can tell from the haze out here, there was a dust storm, sandstorm last night, so it's dusty. There was rain before that, but we're ready to go. So I'm looking forward to getting running, and there's lots of activity behind me, so it's time to get this show on the road. I made it. All right, 42 kilometers, 26.2. I accomplished it. We're here at the finish line. They're going through the celebration ceremonies. It was good, it was tough, it was all I expected it to be. The first 20 miles were on pace. I started having trouble after that with my legs, and it was a grind, pushing it through, but I made it. The run to rebuild, race to rebuild, was finished to raise funds. Thank you to everyone who donated to the cause to rebuild homes for those people displaced in Iraq who can go back now and get their homes rebuilt because of your giving. The people here have been very wonderful. It's been a great experience, and there's a lot of good people here in Erbil. So just want to dispel the myth that all of Iraq is a difficult place. Kurdistan is a great place, and lots of great people here. So thank you for joining me in this journey. I made it. I'm here to add value and be uncommon. That's my philosophy, and I want to add value. We did that by raising this money. I want to do it in an uncommon way by running this marathon. Those two things are things you might not need to run a marathon. You might not need to come to Iraq, but you can do that in your own community, in your own way. Add value, be uncommon. You can't go wrong by doing that. Thank you for being with me. Take care.